I'm on the corner of Powell and Green, and this is the San Franciscan's San Francisco.
Today we're going to head to Fisherman's Wharf. It's probably San Francisco's most underutilized and misunderstood icon. What people tend to forget is this is a working pier and the hub of San Francisco's commercial fishermen. We'll cover how to get there, what you'll find, and a couple of insider tips that will reveal why Fisherman's Wharf is a true gem hidden in plain sight. To understand the wharf, I think we need to start here, at the Fishermen's and Seamen's Memorial Chapel. And although it may not seem like much from the outside, this actually is the center of Fisherman's Wharf. This is not a tourist trap. These are the boats that go out the gate every day. And these are the restaurants that buy directly from the boats. From sea to boat to plate to day is what made Fisherman's Wharf a dining destination.
Today we're starting our adventure on Fisherman's Worth right here at Pier 47. This sign is super important because it takes you to Scoma's restaurant. Scoma's is a great restaurant, but what's really important here? Free parking, or with gratuity.
I'm not a shill for Scoma's. I don't take pictures of my food, and this is not a restaurant review. But you saw the chef from Scoma's buying crab off that boat. They have a very professional wait staff, and this is where I take my friends and family on the wharf.
Also on Scola Alley is Lou's. I know Lou. And Lou, you owe a friend of mine money. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head that way toward the grotto.
Walking from Pier 47 to the wharf's main drag, we came across hour-long boat tours for $15. That is a smoking deal. I'm a fisherman. I've spent a lot of time on the water here, and the views out there are amazing. That is 1 hour well spent and $15 well spent. Highly recommended. Walking up to Fisherman's Wharf can feel intimidating, but keep your eye on the prize. What you want is a whole cracked crab cold, or to get up to one of the restaurants and order today's catch.
And now we're going to go to the end of the pier and hang a left and eat our delicious crab on the pier.
So pull yourself up a pallet and dig in.
This here is one of my favorite places in San Francisco.
Museum Echenique is a collection of over 300 vintage video games, pinball machines, player pianos, kinetoscopes, and automatons. But for me, it's all about the dioramas. Another thing you'll run into down here at the wharf is Bodines Bakery, the place that made San Francisco famous for its sourdough bread. Great bakery, skip the chowder.
This is where you get your sweatshirt because you thought it was going to be warm in San Francisco midsummer.
Here are the do's and the don'ts. Do get your cracked crab cold. And ask for some extra lemons. You can use them to wash your hands when you're done. Go for a boat ride. The price is right, the views are amazing, and it will be one of the most memorable parts of your trip. Don't put chowder in your bread, but do try Bodine's other baked goods. Don't forget your jacket. The wharf really is an amazing place if you stay focused on what it truly is and ignore all the fluff around it. I love Fisherman's Wharf. And yes, I take my friends here.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe, because I'll share the things I know and love about San Francisco. Join me on this adventure. Come on, let's go. Subscribe. Now,